Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Math 20-1 lesson, we are learning reciprocal functions, outcomes RF2 and RF11. We will graph y equals 1 over f of x from y equals f of x, study reciprocals of linear and quadratic functions, identify vertical and horizontal asymptotes, find invariant points, and describe end behavior. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. The reciprocal function takes every y value of the original graph and turns it into 1 over that value. Large y values become small. Small non-zero y values become large. If f of x equals 0, the reciprocal is undefined, so that x value becomes a vertical asymptote. Invariant points are points that stay in the same place after taking the reciprocal. This happens when the original y value is 1 or -1, because 1 over 1 is 1, and 1 over -1 is -1. For a linear function like f of x equals x minus 3, the reciprocal is y equals 1 over x minus 3. The 0 of the original line, x equals 3, becomes a vertical asymptote. Since the denominator grows large as x moves away, the graph approaches the horizontal asymptote y equals 0. For a quadratic function, zeros of the quadratic become vertical asymptotes of the reciprocal. If the quadratic has 2 real zeros, the reciprocal can have 2 vertical asymptotes. If it has no real zeros, there may be no vertical asymptote. End behavior describes what happens as x becomes very large positive or very large negative. For many reciprocal functions with polynomial denominators, the output approaches 0 because the denominator becomes very large in magnitude. Sketch y equals 1 over x squared minus 4. First factor the denominator as x minus 2 times x plus 2. The vertical asymptotes are x equals 2 and x equals -2. The horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. Invariant points occur when x squared minus 4 equals 1 or -1. Great work! For reciprocal functions, start from the original f of x. Zeros of f become vertical asymptotes. Points where f equals 1 or -1 are invariant points. The horizontal asymptote often comes from end behavior. Use restrictions, asymptotes, and invariant points to build the graph. Like the video and subscribe for more Math 20-1 lessons.